Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to log out Gmail from all devices on mobile phone. Friends, if you want to log out your Gmail account from all devices, then you need to open your Gmail app. Now here you need to press on the profile picture. Now here press on manage your Google account. Now here press on security and sign in. Now here scroll it little down and in the bottom you will find all the devices on which your Gmail account is logged in. Now here my Gmail account is logged in my phone and also on my computer. So if I want to log out any of these devices, then I simply need to press on the device name and press on sign out and press on sign out button again. Then your Gmail account will be logged out from the selected device. So friends, like this you can very easily log out Gmail from all devices. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.